All right, we have some news just coming in at this point in time. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has cast his vote in Ranchi. Fans gather outside the booth as Mahendra Singh Dhoni cast his vote. Three seats is where voting is being seen, and over 29% voter turnout is the latest figure that we have with us. And Dhoni has now cast his vote. Fans have turned up at the booth where Dhoni was to cast his vote, and we have pictures, in fact, also that we'll be putting out of Dhoni casting his vote in Ranchi. I'm going to go straight across to Satyajit for more details on that story. Dhoni is now casting his vote as expected. He's also, in fact, the ambassador for Jharkhand Assembly elections, and we've seen fans now gathering outside the booth. Satyajit. All right, we have in fact pictures of Dhoni casting his vote in the Jharkhand Assembly elections. Now, details are as follows. Remember, Mahendra Singh Dhoni was also the brand ambassador of these elections, now spreading the message of the importance of voting. These elections was MSD, is seen in these pictures, casting his vote. He's made an appeal to voters, in fact, to go out and make their vote count. He's been appointed the brand ambassador for Jharkhand Assembly elections, and also seen in these pictures is Dhoni right now. You see on your screens right now where he is casting his vote. Fans have gathered at the booth where Dhoni cast his vote. These are pictures of Dhoni on your screen right now coming in from Ranchi where MSD cast his vote.
कोई मैसेज देंगे वो सबको आप आइकन है एक बार मैसेज देंगे
A screen of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, also the ambassador as far as the elections and voting and spreading the message of the importance of vote is concerned. He is the brand ambassador appointed by the government to spread that message. Seen a while ago casting his vote. Fans have gathered outside the booth where Dhoni was. Take a look at these pictures where MSD voted, and he is in fact leaving the venue, leaving the poll booth as of now. Satyajit, in fact, is with us for more on that. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, they're casting his vote in Ranchi. Fans have gathered there, but he hasn't spoken to the press. Nevertheless, he's been the brand ambassador of these elections, isn't it? Satyajit.
Yes, it's true. He has already used his franchisee. He has exercised his franchisee, and he was here with his family. Sakshi was seen. His mother, Devki Devi, father Pan Singh was here, and the fans are out of gear. They have gathered here in huge number. You can see them. They wanted a selfie with them. We'll speak to some fans. All of them have gathered here. You are from media, or you have?
I'm from media. I'm from media.
Achha, you are from media, but I saw many young girls. They wanted a selfie with Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I think he could not oblige them. And yes, you can see one poster. Love you, Dhoni sir. कहाँ से आए थे आप?
हम मैकॉन से।
मैकॉन कहाँ पे पढ़ती हैं आप?
हम जेवीएम में ही पढ़ते हैं।
जेवीएम में। तो धोनी को देखने के लिए आई थी।
हाँ।
देख पाई?
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत देखे।
क्या चाहती थी? फोटो चाहती थी उसके साथ?
हाँ।
नहीं हो पाया?
नहीं हो पाया।
बहुत क्राउड था।
बहुत ज्यादा क्राउड था।
She is visibly pleased that she had a glimpse of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. She wanted to post.
Now we have a fan there saying, "I love you, Dhoni," holding a poster reading, "I love you, Dhoni," on your screens right now. Pictures of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the MSD, casting his vote at a poll booth in Ranchi.